Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to easily change the Zoom recording location on Mac and Windows PC. Zoom recordings can quickly take up valuable storage space, especially if you frequently record meetings or online sessions. By default, Zoom saves recordings to a preset folder, which may not always be the most convenient location on a Mac or Windows PC. Changing the Zoom recording location allows you to better organize files, save storage on a different drive, or keep important recordings easy to find. That's it. Let's get started. So first we have to launch the Zoom app on your Mac or Windows PC. And then we have to click on your profile located at the top right corner of the screen. Then we have to scroll down in the left sidebar and select the recording option. Then we have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and hit the change button next to storage location, and then we have to choose a preferred location. It's worth pointing out that there's also an option to choose the preferred storage location after every Zoom meeting. To do so, make sure that the toggle for select local storage after meeting, and that's about it. Updating your Zoom recording location is a small adjustment that can make a big difference in file management and storage control. Once you set a new folder, Zoom will automatically save all future recordings there, helping you stay organized and avoid clutter on your main drive. If you ever need to switch locations again, you can do so anytime from Zoom settings. With the right recording folder in place, managing your Zoom recordings on Mac and Windows becomes faster, cleaner, and stress-free. Now that you have unlocked this pretty handy feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives, and I'll catch you up in the next one.